Sunlight and microclimates. Maximizing sunlight for your confined garden. Plants need adequate sunlight for photosynthesis and growth. In this short video I explain how to determine the sunlight conditions in your confined space and select plants that thrive in those conditions. Techniques like sun tracking, reflective surfaces, and choosing the right location for your containers or garden structures can help maximize the available sunlight for your plants. Optimizing sunlight exposure. Sunlight is the lifeblood of your garden. In small spaces, understanding your garden's microclimates and optimizing sunlight exposure are essential for healthy plant growth. Assessing sunlight availability before planting. Spend time observing the sunlight patterns in your confined space. Track how many hours of direct sunlight different areas receive throughout the day. Pay attention to shadows from buildings, walls, or neighboring structures. Choosing the right plants. Select plants that match your available sunlight. Some vegetables and herbs thrive in partial shade, while others require full sun. Leafy greens, like lettuce and spinach, tolerate less sunlight, making them ideal for shadier spots. Tomatoes, peppers, and basil, on the other hand, flourish in full sun. Reflective surfaces. Utilize reflective surfaces to maximize sunlight. White walls, mirrors, or strategically placed reflective materials can bounce light onto your plants, brightening up shadowy corners. Container mobility. If you have the flexibility, move your containers throughout the day to follow the sun. This practice, known as container mobility, ensures that your plants receive optimal light exposure.